You'll love Sterling Ultimax and Ultimax Pro tape measures, beyond measure. Extended standout, utilising extra-wide superblade technology. Reinforced 4-rivet dual hook with magnet. Superior internal mechanism providing smoother operation. Extra-wide superblade for maximum durability. The first 200mm of the blade features a protective coating which helps protect from damage without slowing down the blade extension. All tapes feature high impact resistant ABS casing with non-slip grip. Easy Read double-sided printed super blade has been developed for optimised readability. Fully incremented markings to stop 100mm syndrome. Double-sided, vertically printed white blade with extra large marking size makes misreads virtually impossible. Easy Read is perfect for any application where the blade is away from the user, quickly becoming a must-have amongst all tradesmen. New Sterling Ultimax and Sterling Ultimax Pro tape measures out now. Available in Metric, Metric Imperial and Easy Read.